How to report a lost or stolen Gemini credit card. If your Gemini credit card is lost or stolen, act quickly to protect your funds. First, call Gemini customer support immediately so they can deactivate your account, review any suspicious charges, and issue your replacement card. If there are charges you don't recognize, Gemini will open a dispute and investigate them to ensure your account remains secure. Be sure to review any pending transaction in your app and note any unusual activity for the support team. Update any automatic payments linked to your lost card with your new card information to avoid missed payments. Consider enabling account alerts to receive real-time notifications of any transactions. After reporting, continue to monitor your account activity closely and contact Gemini support immediately if you notice anything unusual. Acting quickly helps prevent unauthorized access and ensures your crypto and fiat assets remain safe. Now you know how to report a lost or stolen Gemini credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.